Hello guys, one of my subscriber asked me to make a video about how to delete a repository from GitHub. So I'm going to show you how to delete a repository from GitHub. So let's see. So for example, I want to delete this repository on my GitHub profile. So if you see my all repositories, so you can see at the top that there is a repository called sample project. So I want to delete it. Okay, so this is my project, and there you can see the project, and you can see the right side there is settings option. Okay, there is settings option, and bottom of the settings you can see the option will delete this repository. Okay, then now click delete this repository option, and so unexpected bad things will happen if you don't read this action cannot be undone. This will permanently delete this repository, no wiki issues, comments, pages, secrets, workflow runs, and remove all collaborators associations. Okay, please type this mark, this highlight, write this to confirm. So you need to write this. So I am copying this and paste it in the input box, and now click this. I understand these consequences, delete this repository. So if you click this, your repository will be deleted. Okay, as you can see there, if I refresh this, there is no repository sample project on my GitHub. So this is it. So I hope this is very important for all of you. So thank you.